In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then hit Get Started, choose I agree to terms and conditions and tap on Continue twice. Now select while using and allow in all available apps. Close and add. And manage all of those options. When you're finished, click on Set as Default at the top. Click on iOS Launcher and wait! As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing the same app, clicking Set as Default and tapping on Default or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!